Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show and explain how actually you guys can update your address if your company's house has actually forces your address to the default address. Okay, if your company has the status of default address and want to actually update the address through UK AD01 form. Okay, so this video is for you guys. Okay, so let's start the process. And first of all, I'm going to show you the current time. I'm basically from Pakistan. Okay, so the current time in Pakistan right now, that should be something like 5 p.m. Yeah, 5:26 p.m. Okay, and let me make it zoom. Okay, so 5:26 p.m. Tuesday, 2nd of July, 2026. That's the current time in Pakistan right now. And let me show you the current time. That should be 1:26 p.m. In the UK, Thursday, 2nd of July, 2026. Okay, so this is one of the company called Radhi Limited. Okay, and that's the company registration number. And as you guys can see, the company registered address has been shifted to a company's house default address because the access of this company and the contract of this company's address was disconnected between the buyer and the seller. Okay, so and once they actually there is default address status. Okay, and the company status goes to the active proposal to strike off. That means that you have 2 months time to update the address, otherwise company's house will dissolve your company, deactivate your company, and then you cannot activate this company. And that's private limited company. This company was registered back in 14th of November 2025 by the guy himself. Okay, no, that's not the guy, actually she's a female. That's Radhika Dimal, and she got an Nepalese nationality. Okay, so and if you go to the filing history, okay, filing history, you guys can see it easily. Okay, that the Gazette information, the Gazette, that's 12th of May. Okay, so what I have done is actually, okay, let me tell you about the whole process. Okay, I have sent the documentation in order to update the registered address of this company physically from the UK. So these are actually the proof of the whole proof of the whole process. Okay, that I have sent them AD01 form. Okay, this is the form actually that need to be filled according to the company information. For example, that's the company registration number and also the company name. Okay, as you guys can see it easily. Okay, and also the new address. Okay, this is this is one of my address which I have provided. Like the address of this company will be shifted to this address, 483 Green Lanes, London, and 134BS is the postal code. Okay, once actually they accept the the AD01 form, and this is actually the contract which I have created between the seller and the buyer. Okay, so this is the address, 483 Green Lanes, London, and 134BS. Okay, and that's the company, that's the contract between UK Post Box and also the Radhi Limited. Okay, so I have sent them through online post. Okay, from the UK. So this is actually the proof of that post. Okay, so let me make it zoom. Okay, so this is the PDF form of the post which I have sent through the online process of Royal Mail Services. Okay, so name and the address, company's house, and AD01 change the address DX. Okay, so if you guys see here that I have made the contract on June 22nd, 2026. Okay, like almost 10 days ago, I have generated this contract between the supplier and the company. Okay, and I have sent them on 23rd of June. Okay, so 23rd of June, sorry, 24th of June, sorry. So this is actually the proof of 24th of June that I have sent the mail from physically from the UK to company's house in order to actually update the address. Okay, and this is also have a tracking number as well. Okay, so we can also copy that. Okay, and we can also track that from here, but it's not still it's not still trackable right now because there's no attempt to actually receive to deliver the item. So once we have the tracking number on the same day, it will be actually posted to company's house, and the next day it will be done. So it's been almost 8 days since I have sent the AD01 file, and it takes almost 2 weeks time. Okay, in order to update any specific address. Okay, so this is the other company which I have already verified through the same process, Europrime Travels Limited. Okay, this is the same address which I have updated. This video is also available on my channel. If you go to the filing history, okay, from the filing history, you guys can see that registered office address from post box like company's house default address changed to 483 Green Lanes and 134BS on 22nd of May 2026. Like almost 1.5 month ago, okay, 1 month ago, I have changed the address of this company from default address to the same address which I am talking about, okay. So this is the actually the prime example of my services. So let's see, I will disconnect this video from here, and once they accept the companies house, they receive and accept the address changing process, then I will come back and we'll start the video again. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you remember, I have shooted a video last week, okay, and today is the day I'm gonna shoot the half of the video, the last half of the video. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna show you the current time. As you guys can see, I'm basically from Pakistan, so the current time in Pakistan right now, Friday 10th of July. Okay, 10th of July, I shooted the first half of the video last week. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the same company, Rathi Limited. Okay, and you guys can see that the address of this company is basically actually approved successfully. We can also go to the filing history as well. Okay, so from the filing history, you guys can see that's 10th of July 2026. Okay, the first Gazette notification compulsory is got strike off. Okay, and the registered office address is changed from PO box like the company's house default address to 4083 Green Lanes, London. So that's how actually the whole video was about. Okay, so as you guys can see, let me refresh it again, and you guys can see the live proof that the company dissolution is ended and the address is updated successfully through the AD01 form, and also the proof of the address, and also the address which I have the post which I sent it directly to the company's house. So that's how actually this whole thing works. So if you guys are also facing such kind of issue where you guys are facing the default address issue, so just open the description of this video. From the description, you guys will get my website, my email address, also my contact number. So from there, contact me directly, and I will also provide you such services, and I will save your company. So thank you so much and have a nice day.